for us to produce a diamond, no, you have to put a lot of pressure on it. So to become diamond in USANA, it takes a lot of discipline, takes a lot of challenge, humility to the people.
For me, it's like pag diamond ka ng 1x8, you're almost perfect.
Grabe nangyari ngayon talaga actually sa 1x8. We didn't know na ang magiging effect ng lahat ng effort namin for 1 year. We produced more than enough na kailangan namin. Actually, ang goal lang namin, this year dapat mga 2 diamonds lang eh. Pero we produced 4 diamonds and 1 executive diamond. So, napakabait ng Diyos dahil lahat ng mga prayers namin binigay niya.
We just love this new batch of diamonds. They exemplify the servant leadership that is being taught in 1x8.
And they are the people who are very talented. And they are very willing and very generous to share that talent to everybody.
We have already came up with a vision for us to have 100 diamond directors.
When we enter 2015, it's very scary and challenging. But of what happened na maraming naging diamond director, nawala na yung takot.
Ngayon, ang mga bago natin mga diamond, ang 1x8 basically, we're excited kasi ibang breed na sila eh. With the combination ng buong leaders ng 1x8, na-develop sila into more mature leaders. I can say mas magagaling sila compare mo sa amin.
Yung mga bagong batch ngayon, sobrang mabilis. Kasi iba na yung system natin ngayon.
Kung nagawa nitong mga bagong diamond director nito, walang imposible. Next year, marami na namang batch of diamond directors coming in.
Joke and Stutz, very aggressive talaga sila eh. Sila yung tipong mga tao na they want something, they will make things happen.
Nakikita ko sila paano nila i-relate yung sarili nila sa team. In each every person, kailangan meron kang connection eh.
Parang sila yung second parent, sister, brother namin. Pero their teachings kasi as a leader sa amin, ibang klase.
Our USANA journey, I would say it's exciting, challenging, and most of all, it's fulfilling. Siguro nung nag-start kami, yun yung pinaka-trial to prove them na we made the right decision. When we started the business, medyo may missing link kami hinahanap. So nakita namin yung relationship din pala namin kay God. So kailangan kasi talaga may guidance. You'll do the business in your own strength kasi ang kalaban natin dito lagi sarili natin, emotions, sama negativity sa labas. So kailangan din merong nagcha-charge sa'yo.
Basta 1x8 ka, maraming tutulong sa'yo. Masasabi ko sa sarili ko. Buti na lang sila na lang.
This is an opportunity. Huwag mo itong pakawalan. Since hawak mo na siya, i-value mo siya. Tama. Pangalagaan mo siya. And continue to build your result and dreams. But also to be an inspiration to other people na may mga dreams din nila.
Mentor Stutz, Mentor Jasper, congratulations on your directorship, Diamond Directorship, and thank you for being there. Thank you for always supporting us, for guiding us. Thank you for being a servant leader sa amin. Thank you for continue inspiring us every day.
Sa mga nangyayari sa amin, it's all because of you. Idinila nyo kami dun sa tamang linya. Congrats again, God bless. Thank you.
Congratulations, Joke and Stutz! Dahil sa sipag, sa tiyaga, sa galing, at lahat ng determinasyon, and of course, syempre, sa tulong ng Panginoon, walang imposible. Now, you're a new diamond. Next time, Star Diamonds naman. Yeah, ba!
We've met Robert and Selena Rances way back 2004, 2005, I guess. 2007.
They were really crucial in developing the Visayas and Mindanao market. And if that area is growing very fast, we can really say that they have put in so much effort into it. And we believe that through their leadership, there were a lot of really great leaders that they were able to mentor.
And makita mo yung mga trainings na ginagawa nila, yung partnership nila, yung pagiging duo nila ni Selena. Amazing. Amazed na amazed kami. Talagang marami silang na-mentoran. Nag-start na rin ang kanilang mga group na lumaki na rin. So, to the couple, si Robert and Selena Rances, congratulations for achieving Diamond Director, and it's no doubt later on, more stages, more rewards, more recognition, and we're so excited seeing you at the top. Okay, congratulations.
Robert and Selena, it has always been my dream to see you become Diamond, and it's so exciting that it is happening now. I've always seen you as Diamond. I just had to wait for a long time to see you there. We're so proud of this achievement of yours, and we're really expecting, because you have gained so much momentum, that you're going to reach the stars in the coming months. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
The way kung paano sila na-develop sa may business is not that easy. Pero ang good thing, ang hinahangaan ko sa dalawang yan basically, nag-persevere talaga sila para mag-succeed. Even though marami o against the odds, maraming tao hindi nagsasucceed, sila they will continue. Kaya no wonder narating nila yung position na ito.
Makikita mo talaga sa kanila na makikinig at makikinig sila sa mga mentors. That's why, alam mo yun, hindi ka magtataka ano yung result na meron sila ngayon. Kasi sa attitude na meron sila, talagang hindi pwedeng hindi magsasucceed eh.
Marami kasi when they start to earn, talagang hindi na sila nakikinig eh. So ang paglaki ng income, sumasabay sa paglaki ng ulo. Hindi mo makikita to sa dalawang taong to. And sila nakikita ko na habang lumalaki yung success nila, the more na yung tenga nila, lumalaki din sa pakikinig. The more na yung puso, mas nagiging humble para makinig at matuto ulit. And I think that's one of the key para mag-succeed talaga sa ganitong klaseng negosyo.
The best sila. At sila pa mismo ang wala naman sa edad kung pukpukin nila. At walang bata, walang matanda sa ganitong sistema. Wala namang imposible sa kanila eh. Lalo kung kailangan mo talaga.
Of course, sa simula hindi rin madali. No, marami rin kami ng mga naging trials and error. Kasi that time, hindi pa talaga ganun ka-clear talaga yung system of mentoring. We're just so fortunate right now, especially doon sa mga ngayon na mga nagjo-join ngayon sa ganito klaseng industry, especially in our community, which is the Team 1X8. Marami na nagme-mentor, systematized na siya, at saka collaborated na rin yung learnings.
The trial came when I was, convincing him to do this full-time. Naniniwala kasi ako pag may isang bagay kang nakikita na magiging mabilis ang resulta, bakit hindi ka mag-risk, gawin mong lahat mo, aralin mo. It's just so happened he wasn't ready. Took me 1 month, I think more than a month yun. As in gabi-gabi iniiyakan ko siya para lang ma-convince ko siya gawin to. That was really hard for me, but eventually na-realize yun naman eh.
Yung paradigm shift, from being an engineer, then lilipat ka bilang entrepreneur, and then into health and wellness. Medyo talagang ang laki ng adjustment ang ginawa ko. Isang malaking turning point siguro sa akin that time was when May introduced me the idea na gagawin namin ito para daw sa mga pangarap na gusto makuha sa buhay. 5 years in doing this kind of industry, kahit pa paano, yung checklist namin, mga pangarap namin, unti-unti yung sila nakukuha. Kaya sabi ko nga, kung babalikan ko yung ginagawa ko dati, alam ko na yung results nun eh. Pero dito, hindi ko alam kung ano yung magiging resulta ko. Pero magandang balita, habang ginagawa, lumalaki ang opportunity.
Sobra pasasalamat ko sa mga mentor ko. At ang kanilang pagtitiyaga sa akin, ilubog talaga nila ako.
Itong blessing na meron kayo right now, binigay sa atin ni Lord yan, hindi lang for us para ma-recognize ng ibang tao, ma-recognize yung kakayahan natin, yung skills natin, diba? Binigay sa atin yan ni Lord para mas maging blessing pa tayo sa maraming tao. Natutuwa kami kasi you guys are still humble even the success that you have right now. And ang wish namin sa inyo, syempre, yung 12 baby na wish ni Jan, sana magkatotoo na. So, we're so happy that we are part of your success, guys. And we will be forever thankful, hindi lang sa business na ito, but basically sa relationship din na build natin as a friends. Congratulations ulit. God bless you. Itong dalawang ito is achiever na talaga, even sa school. And then nagtrabaho sila ganun din. So, dun pa lang talagang very competitive and achiever sila. Yung discipline nila, dala nila sa USANA. So, although they are 21 and 22 years old, may mga moment na talagang kitang-kita mo na batang-bata pa sila. Pero hindi naging hadlang sa kanila yon eh. They sacrifice ng mas maaga so they can enjoy the life that they have right now. They are financially free. So, they have a lot of time
and then they are healthy.
1x8 or Usana, hindi lang siya business eh. So, relationship business siya. So, tinuro nila sa akin na magkaroon ng magandang relationship sa mga taong hindi pa part ng Usana, lalo na sa mga taong part na ng team namin.
When we were just starting in this business, dumating din talaga yung time na, if you're business, you're gonna invest time, and not just time, pero yung money. So, syempre, nasa Maynila ka, so malaki rin ng gastos, cost of living. Nakaipon naman ako doon ng mga 2,000 pesos after 2 years of working as an accountant. Pero, syempre, saan kukunin yung money na pang-invest ng capital? So, inutang namin. Akala ko ba yayaman tayo dito? Akala ko din eh. Tinisin namin yung mga mentor namin. Si Mentor Nat kasi, di ba? True enough, if you just stay sa business ng dire-diretso and then you follow the system, yung kinreate ng Academy 1, pinundan namin yung pattern na yan, eto, 6 years. We're Diamond Directors.
Ngayon naman, on our current executive rank, executive diamond kami ngayon, ang nagpapamotivate na lang sa amin is yung nakikita namin yung team na binild namin na sila din maging executive diamond in the future. So yun yung goal. Hanggat wala sila doon, motivated kami to do our part as mentors na.
Growing up sa background namin, we're from Nueva Ecija. So yung province namin, pag nagpunta ka doon, nakikita mo sa likod ng bahay namin, palay, tsaka sapa, pilapil, kalabaw. So parang hindi mo makita yung sarili mo higher than that eh. Pero when we were introduced to 1x8, especially sa system na Academy 1, nakita namin na it's really possible pala.
Alam mo yung term na sulit, sobrang sulit talaga. Imagine for 6 years, 180 degrees na bago talaga yung buhay namin. Not just ours, yung family, yung mga friends, yung mga teammates. So, kahit pahirapan ka ng 1,000 times more nang na-experience ko na rejections noon, go pa din. Kasi sobrang sulit nung journey.
Thank you for not just telling us what to do, but showing us kung ano yung mga kailangan gawin para makuha yung result na meron tayo dito. Congratulations! Let's reach for more stars in Usana.
Really happy and itong rank na diamond, ito pa lang yung simula talaga. This is just the start of your financial freedom. Warming up pa lang. Okay, ito yung masasabi ko na talagang ma-enjoy nyo na talaga yung gusto nyo na lifestyle para sa family ninyo. Tuloy-tuloy nyo lang.
Hindi lang kayo basta naging magaling na entrepreneur, naging top distributor ng Usana, but basically other areas of your life na develop nyo din. Especially your relationship to others and yourself, kayo as a couple, and also your relationship with the Lord.
Si Ranel and Jonalyn Blanco, na-amaze ako. Kasi I just heard, nang na-meet ko sila, that they have been an owner of a pharmaceutical company. And sabi ko, grabe, magaling to. And true enough, okay? When we talk, when we communicate, narinig namin yung mga plano nila, sabi ko, grabe, magaling tong couple na to. I got so excited kasi this is a gem in the making na talagang to become a diamond. And true enough, for just a short period of time, makikita mo diamond director kagad sila.
One of the most memorable encounters that we had with them is when we went to Hong Kong for a convention. And since Ranel and Jonalyn has achieved success already in their own pharmaceutical company, so we knew that they are capable of taking big challenges. And we were really challenging them to really go diamond, to be like Asia Pacific growth. So it's so inspiring to see them take a shift from their traditional business and totally focus on doing Usana. It's something that you would want others to follow. When they see the potential and when they see a vision, they really know the value of it and they go for it. They really love their team, and we have seen also a lot of rank advancements in their team.
So to Ranel
and Jonalyn,
salute. Grabe kayong dalawa. Grabe, amazing yung dedication nyo, yung effort nyo, lahat ng mga pag-exert nyo ng mga performances to hit Diamond Director. Lahat kami nakamonitor. And we're so amazed with your effort, kaya kami tuwan-tuwa. And later on, stars will be coming.
Congratulations. We're so very proud of you. We knew from the start that you will be diamonds very, very soon.
So, Ranel, Jonalyn, congratulations!
Maraming pumasok sa USANA from being a black sheep in the family. Pumasok ng USANA, lumabas milyonaryo. Dating room boy attendant, pumasok ng USANA, nag-aral, paglabas milyonaryo. Accountant, CPA, nag-aral, pumasok ng USANA, naging milyonaryo. Engineer, pumasok ng USANA, paglabas milyonaryo. Merong doktor, PhD professor, pumasok ng USANA, nag-aral ulit, paglabas milyonaryo. So ikaw, subukan mo, anong ginagawa mo? Pumasok ka, sigurado, walang imposible, paglabas mo, milyonaryo ka. Congratulations!
The whole of your 1x8 family is so proud of you guys. We love you and more successes to come to all of you.
To the first batch of Diamond Directors of 1x8, ibang klase ka. We know you have that values, you have that integrity. Tatak 1x8 ka.
Walang imposible.
Parang lahat, parang hirap-hirap.
Basta may faith and action.
Kapag tinrabaho mo talaga,
dapat nang gigigil.
Walang imposible kasi talaga anything can happen.
Nangyari na sa amin so pwedeng mangyari kahit kanino.
Kahit sino ka, kahit ano ka, anong background mo.
Kahit bago ka pa lang, wala kang alam sa business na to.
Wala sa edad yan.
Kung gugustuhin mo, basta focus ka dun sa goal mo.
That's why walang imposible kung sama-sama tayo.
So dun pa lang may assurance ka na eh.
At walang imposible pag nasa 1x8 ka. Sigurado yun, walang imposible.
Pangarap mo, hawakan niyo pa mic and sumabay. Sabihin mo, walang imposible. Gusto ng marami pera, ikutin ang planeta hanggang Inglaterra. Kasama na ang asindero at mga heredera. Sisingso na at tapos na ako pag may kalera. Walang imposible.